Hi my pretty friends! Welcome to my first YouTube video, where this is a safe place for glow-ups, good vibes, and girly things. It's your girl Julia. Today we're channeling Kim K Glam. But before you proceed with this tutorial, stop the video and hit that subscribe button for more looks like this. Now let's get into this glam.
I want to get started with her eyebrows. She has very defined eyebrows. They're not too thick, they're not too thin. We're going to try to make them like hers. I'm going to go in with the Morphe thin eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to start sculpting from the bottom. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, but this is how they are starting to look.
So for her eyeshadow look, she does have a matte brown cut crease going on. So we're going to use all the lighter brown colors in this creamy Huda Beauty palette. The darkest brown on the palette, we are going to focus at the end of our eye and make sure to blend it in. And then we're going to use the e.l.f. concealer and cut our crease and set it with the lightest matte color they have on that palette. To blend everything seamlessly, we're going to use the other light brown color to in between to transition, and then use the dark brown for the eyeliner.
Okay, so I finished my eyeliner. That's how it looks. I used an angle brush and also used this NYX Snatch Brow Tint Pen. She looks like she's matte, all except her forehead and cheekbone. I think so. So we're gonna use this. For our concealer, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me, oopsie, and then the e.l.f. So I'm going to first go in with the Fit Me, and then we're going to use a tad bit of e.l.f. There we go. And we're also going to mix two bronzers. We're going to mix the Dior Forever Skin Contour in Tan, and we're going to use the, if you don't have this, then you can just use this Juvia's Place in Almond. I just go like this. So she's really bronzed right here. And I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to sculpt. And we are going to blend the forehead. So I'm going to finish blending everything, and I'll be right back. I have this Jelly Strawberry from Makeup Revolution blush, and I'm going to put it like right a tiny bit, like right there. And I'm going to start blending with my fingers. And I'm going to blend upwards. I don't see a lot of blush on her cheeks, but I do see like a very light touch of pink underneath her eye and close to her cheekbones. So we might use the Maybelline Fit Me right underneath our eye. And then we're going to go in with Infallible Perfection. We're going to set our smile lines.
So while my face is baking, I'm going to tight line with a black eyeliner. At this point, I'm going to use this black eyeliner to darken my wing eyeliner. We're going to use the darkest brown underneath our waterline and just try to smudge it out. I did go a little bit dark because I didn't get a new brush, but I recommend getting a new brush and using a dark brown to smudge it out. Kim has such a pretty little nose, so I'm using a random brown color to snatch my nose like hers. We are gonna do a little bit of blush. She has like a very nude lip going on. We're also gonna go in with Yash. We're gonna use the L'Oreal Lumi, and we're gonna put it on our hands first, and this is give us a nice glowy look that she has going on.
And then we're gonna do it right here too. We're gonna go in with the Morphe Cloud Light Soft Veil in Sunrise. It's my first time trying it, so let's see.
Okay friends, that's it for today's glam. Hope you loved this look. Products are down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more pretty content. See you next time.